Is Disney's Grand California Hotel and Resort worth the extra money, or should you save it? We're here to let you know what we think. Hey everyone, Brian from Langdon Family Travels here, and we are here at the Grand Californian in Disneyland. Wow, we were not expecting this. We were scheduled to stay at the Disneyland Hotel, but we got a message on our first day in the parks that there was a maintenance issue with our room and that we were given a room here at Disney's Grand Californian. We are ecstatic to check out this beautiful campus, figure out if the rooms are worth the extra money splurge for y'all, and we're just excited just to take in this whole Disney magic.
Wilderness Lodge, Animal Kingdom, like combination vibes. Like it's dark wood, like Animal Kingdom, but the craftsmanship is like Wilderness Lodge, but like just another level.
One thing I love about this lobby is just the amazing, comfortable seating that you have in here. It's just absolutely gorgeous.
So we're here just chilling here in the lobby. I mean, this lobby is gorgeous. Say hey. Yeah, we're just chilling here and, you know, having a good family time, and we're gonna play some games and just relax. Here is the Hearthstone Lounge. This is a great little bar and lounge area where you can grab a drink, maybe a little bite to eat. They have a wonderful whiskey list here. I was looking through it and it is phenomenal. So here we are entering the room, and what you see right as you enter is really nice hooks right over here for coats or ponchos or bags or backpacks or anything like that. It's really nice that you have that here to kind of just set your stuff up. So right as you enter as well, right to your left is a great double mirror cabinet. As we open it up, you're gonna be able to see that's where you're gonna find your in-wall safe. Got a couple of the fancy robes. Got the Grand Californian Hotel and Spa logo right there. A pair of slippers as well. We have our ironing board and our iron here. Our luggage holder right here as well. Down here below, we have our extra pillow and blanket. And right next to there is the Conair steam iron right here for you to use as well. So coming over to here in the bathroom on the right hand side, you have this huge mirror right here that's lighted as well. We have all the controls over here so you can dim it and bring it back up. And then there is a double vanity with a bunch of amenities, tissues, and you got plenty of storage underneath. You're gonna find a hair dryer underneath there. For my friends that need a hair dryer, I do not. It's just a regular Conair hair dryer. It doesn't look like it has an attachment for the diffusing. There's a couple with a basket underneath here as well to kind of maybe just organize a couple things. Maybe you could use it as a laundry basket. As you come into the bathroom, we have our toilet and this stunning rainfall shower head right here as well. It also comes with a regular attachment, but this is huge. It has a seat here and it comes with all your favorite products such as shampoo, conditioner, and body gel. Now we're into the main bedroom part. We have these two queen beds within here, and they all come with 4 beautiful fluffed pillows. It's very clean. You also have lights. Switch right here to control the main ones. One thing to note as well is that there is a dimming switch for the lights over here as well. We have individual reading lights right above each bed as well. They are on each side. And then we have our phone, in-room dining menu, remote control for the television, little notepad and pen. And then a nice upgraded alarm clock as well that not only has a wireless charger on top, but also has 2 USB ports, one USB-A and one USB-C port on it. Also to note, for your charging needs, there are tons of outlets and USB ports around here. Just in my eyesight alone, I see 3 available plugs, 4 USBs right here, another USB and a USB-C right there. We have 4 plugs over by the desk, 4 plugs over by the dresser that all have USB-A ports as well. You have plenty of area to charge all of your things around here. One thing to note as well is that there's always a ton of storage for your luggage underneath the beds. I mean, your kids actually love to play hide and seek under here as well. So there's tons of room for you to throw your suitcases, get them out of the way here. Here is the dresser as well, right by the nightstand in the middle. Got a little information packet in there as well. Over here, as we continue around the room, we have a sofa right here that actually turns into a bed as well. So this would be great for us because now we have 3 beds available here for us and our family. So we'll have us in one bed, Mandy and I in one bed, one of the kids over here, one of the kids over here. After a long day in the park, we're going to be able to really relax and just get a good night's sleep. From this angle, we can kind of see over here, we have our coffee and kind of kitchenette area. We have a Keurig, and in this drawer right over here, we have some K-cups with your favorite little French roasts as well from Joffrey's. We also have an ice bucket as well as some glasses right here, and underneath here is your refrigerator. Beautiful little area right here to get some work done. Individual lamp right here. And these drawers, the dresser drawers, are very large, very deep. You're not going to have any issue storing all of your different things out here. One thing that I'm so excited about is the balcony here. This is going to be so nice for us when we put the kids to bed. Maybe we want to have a nice little drink outside. We can just relax, take it all in, or in the morning we can have our cup of coffee out here just to kind of start the day. One thing that we really appreciate about Disney balconies is that they put this nice lock up top here. So you don't have to worry at night that your kids are going to sneak out, because this is really, it's not easy to get open or lock. So it's actually quite nice to give you that extra sense of security as well. So here's the balcony. We can see that it has 2 chairs and a little table next to it. Kind of has a little cruise ship vibes within here, but it's nice and wide as well. We have what they call a woods and garden view, and this is quite stunning out here, isn't it? Just take a look. Can you believe that we're at a theme park? This doesn't feel like we're at a theme park. It's pretty incredible. So that's it for the room tour. It's our first day here. We are so excited to just take it all in, really explore this resort, and we're going to be here to tell you what has been great with it and what we felt maybe could be a little bit better. But first impressions, it's absolutely gorgeous. The lighting alone in here, I really love. The uplighting within there, isn't that gorgeous? It kind of gives it a nice home and warm feeling within here. I really, really adore it. So as you can see, there's 3 pools here, and they're all unique and really, really fun. This one is great because it has a slide area for the kids and everything. There's also a little kiddie slide over to the right. The redwood slide is really, really fun. It fits the theming and everything like that. Our kids have really enjoyed the slides within here. Over here, because of how the slide comes out, it definitely kind of creates a whirlpool, and Ben's been yelling, "Help me, the current." The current. It's been really, really fun. There's also a number of little pools for kids, as well as a hot tub as well around here. One aspect that I really do like is that they have some water here, both regular water as well as some flavored water, so that you can just get a nice cup of water just to cool off whenever you need to. You don't have to worry about going to the bar or anything like that. They also have a number of
service staff coming around to make sure that you guys are well fed, as well as whatever kind of refreshments that you need as well. Right over there is the Craftsman Bar, which is a sit-down restaurant here where you can grab a nice sit-down meal right by the pool, and a full service bar is there as well. This whole area is absolutely gorgeous. We really love this whole vibe here with the pools. It's been very, very good for our families. There are also a number of cabanas for rent here, then they all come with cabana attendants, obviously. And over there is the pool concierge, which is where you will check in for your pool things. You'll get a wristband just to ensure that you are staying here. And over there, they have towels ready for you. They can answer any questions that you might have about the pool. They also have suntan lotion and after sun care lotion over there as well. So that's really, really nice within a nice amenity within here. Obviously, they have complimentary life jackets because it's a Disney property. But yeah, it's very, very nice. Over here, they have our entertainment. Yesterday, they had a DJ. Looks like they have a steel pan artist here today. Excited to hear him. It's going to be a lot of fun to kind of just relax and listen to some great music over here. There is so much seating all around this pool area as well, and it's all different. They have tables, like picnic tables, that you can sit and have a meal. When we got here, that's exactly what we did. We actually had takeout from Joby Dumpling from right by our old hotel that we were at. We also have these loungers and kind of like patio furniture, as well as sunbeds everywhere, and they all have towels and everything on them for you to just go and sit down and relax. So it's really nice. They also have day beds that you can rent as well, which are very comfortable looking, but these obviously come with an expense as well.
Another one of the dining options is the quick service option, which is the Craftsman Grill. This is located right by the pool, and they are open for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Now, this is going to be some grab-and-go options as well as some made-to-order options. You got some breakfast items over here, as well as some different bakery options. We have a Coke freestyle machine, as well as a bunch of different beverages, alcoholic and non-alcoholic over here. We see some fruit and other options right next to the ice cream that, of course, has the Mickey ice cream bars. We have different beverages such as nitro cold brew, as well as regular cold brew, your classic drip coffee, iced tea, and hot cocoa. And if you come up to the counter, you definitely order anything off of the menu. They're making stuff fresh all the time over here. Lots of seating, so you can either sit in there or take your food back to the pool if you're over there. They also have pool service, but it's a little bit of an abridged menu over there. Right up here is Storyteller's Cafe. This is one of the other restaurants. This is a character dining experience. They have a breakfast as well as dinner service here where it's a buffet and you can enjoy meeting a bunch of the characters as well. It looks so beautiful in there as well. They also have one other restaurant here, the Napa Rose, that is supposed to be absolutely fantastic. However, it's undergoing some renovations right now. So I don't think that we would have done that. Maybe if it was just Mandy and I for a nice trip. But even if we wanted to, we are unable to check that one out. So one thing that we just have loved about our stay here at the Grand Californian is just how convenient it is. I mean, you are literally steps away from downtown Disney. You walk out, you turn right, there's a Starbucks right there. You walk forward, there's a Salt and Straw, which has incredible ice cream. You turn left and you have all these different restaurants there. It's just so convenient. Now, you would think that that alone would be great. No, you have a private entrance to the California Adventure. It's incredible. The other thing is, they're not only just steps away from California Adventure, you are literally within steps of Disneyland as well. You head right out of downtown Disney, and Disneyland entrance is right there. I cannot talk enough just about how convenient it is around here. I mean, for like a family and everything, this is the dream. You don't have to worry about anything. You just head out, if you forget something, it's not a big deal. You head back. If you need a break during the day, it's fine. You head back. You're not wasting a lot of time. In Disney World, that's different. It's much more of an adventure to kind of go back and forth and everything. So, yeah, we're loving our stay here at the Grand Californian so far. It's our last couple hours here at the Grand Californian, and I love this hotel. From the moment that I laid down in that bed and I felt like a little baby swaddled in my bassinet, it was incredible. The staff here has been phenomenal. The pool game is so much fun.
This is by far the most relaxed I've ever been on a Disney vacation ever in my life. I probably said that when we were on our Disney cruise a few years ago. I think this beats it, though. When you're planning a vacation, there's a lot of costs involved and a lot of things that you need to think through and prioritize. When I start working with clients, I'll often ask them in the beginning of the process, what's your priority? Do you want to lay on the beach? Do you want to eat all the best foods? If you're coming to Disney, do you want an awesome pool, or are you going to be in the parks, open to close?
The accessibility from inside California Adventure to the hotel was a game changer for us. I think I scanned into California Adventure 5 times yesterday. And if I would say that at Disney World, that would be completely like such a big waste of time, but it wasn't here at Disneyland and at California Adventure when staying at the Grand Californian, because of it's literally steps away.
When you're in Orlando, you can walk to Magic Kingdom. You can easily hop on the monorail to get to Epcot and Magic Kingdom if you don't want to walk. Really convenient. It's the same thing here. The proximity to the parks is insane.
You are steps away from a theme park. You're steps away from downtown Disney, where you can go grab a bite to eat, or go pick up new sunglasses, or if you need any kind of souvenir real quick, last minute souvenir, you just run there. It's literally within seconds.
Here at the Grand Californian, it was like, oh, we have a 5-minute walk and we're in our room. That was amazing. It's good to prioritize what you're looking for so that you know if that's worth it to you. Our kids are little, so for us, proximity is fabulous. As they get older, it might not be something we need as much because they can walk longer. When we were staying at Hyatt House, it was wonderful. We loved it. Our room was bigger. We had a lot of space. However, we walked back from the park 2 nights. Ben cried the entire way, both times. He was just so exhausted. And one night, Brian ended up carrying him because he just couldn't do it. He's almost 6, so that was rough. Here, much easier.
As we just soak in these last couple moments here at the Grand Californian, and I look at the beautiful blue sky and the lush green landscape with the beautiful architecture here. I'm just very thankful for this vacation and the time here. I'm definitely sad to leave, and it's a great spot for you to check out. So if you need any help planning your vacation, there's a person right to my right that would love to help you out. Reach out. We have a QR code right above us, and also contact info down below. Reach out to us. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button, give us a like on this video, give us a thumbs up. It really helps our channel reach out to more people. So I would love for this to get over, let's be modest for now. Let's go 50 likes. All right, go 50 likes. That would be awesome. But yeah, thank you guys so much for tuning in. And until next time, keep making memories, friends.